Stephen de Garabedian lives and works in Mississauga, Ontario, where he specializes in custom furniture and woodworking instruction. His true passion in woodworking is veneering, but he's skilled and knowledgeable when it comes to all aspects of the craft of furniture making. He's also written many articles for our pages and has graced the cover many times. Stephen's a master of subtle details, of which you can see many interesting ones in this black cherry wall cabinet. I really like the small, curved shelf support. Here's another example of the subtle details Stephen adds to his work. This fountain pen desk holds his pen, ink, and has 3 storage drawers, all on a veneered surface. 4 small feet elevate the surface. My favorite detail might be the offset handles on the 2 drawers. This cabinet has a nicely matched veneered door, along with an area to display a vase of flowers. The handle and simply curved legs make for a very pleasing detail to see and touch. Here are a few other projects Stephen has completed over the past few years. Although he used to get into the shop early in the morning, Stephen is more of a take-it-easy guy in the AM now. After enjoying his coffee with his dog, you can spot Stephen eventually appearing in the shop around mid-morning. His shop is in his basement and is 18 feet by 20 feet. Not huge, but it's nicely sized for the scale of work and instruction he does. A wide range of power tools and machines take care of the grunt work, while hand tools take care of the rest. When Stephen isn't in the shop, you'll likely find him outside, whether walking in the nearby trail system, fly fishing the local rivers, or flying his remote control airplane in the fields near his home.